Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to give you a full review of this Wyndham Grand Fallsview hotel. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So this is a 4-star hotel and it's a very grand hotel. As you can see, I'm staying here tonight, and today is the Boxing Day and very snowy day. As you can see, snow is everywhere and it's full of mess. So I'm going to tell you all the process, everything that you need to follow. Okay. So and you can see it's just next to OLG Stage Casino. There are interconnected passages. You can go to various casinos here, and this hotel has a lot of facilities like fitness room, pool. I'll try to cover as much as I can. Okay. First of all, getting here and check-in. So their check-in time begins at 4 p.m. and check-out 11. So you see this entrance. This is from the Dixon Street. So you are supposed to come here all the way here. You need to put your car. There will be staff. There are always staff. Like when I came at the time of check-in, there were staff, those who redirect you. So you are supposed to put your car here, go inside, check in, collect the room key, and also they give you the parking options. One option is like you see these cars here, it's like $70 wallet self parking. If you want $100 wallet parking with the employees doing your stuff, that also you can do. And if you want something cheaper, you need to go just right across the street. You see these cars up across the street, so that you're gonna follow like that. Let me give you a small overview. Yeah, so follow this Dixon. You just see this Wyndham Garden parking. Yeah, so just you cross the street, go to that side, and then turn around. There's also like their parking. So what happens at the time of check-in, they give you a parking ticket itself. With this, once you go there, and it's manned parking, like you will have attendants everywhere, even in that. And if this lot is full, just next to it, if you turn right, behind that building, you see there are additional parkings. So that also you can get if this one is full. Okay. Now as you can see, just above is the fitness room. A lot of people are doing exercise. Okay, and their pool room too. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the view. So I told you about the getting in here, how to get in. Now I'm gonna take you inside. So once you enter, just right to its reception, and like when I came in around 4 p.m, there were like 8 counters available. Okay, and so that's why they were doing it pretty fast. Okay, and just when you enter on left, there is a valet box, a valet what do you call, a kiosk. If you wanna use that valet parking, that you can do. See their parking fee given here. Okay. Okay, so they have a Starbucks in here, and this is a like a convenience store right there. Multiple lifts are here. Okay, you can see Casino Way and some other passage to various Niagara Falls Fun Zone, Comedy Theater, Friday Restaurant, KG, lot of facilities. They have an in-house ATM. Okay, if you want to go to Casino OLG, it's right here. And this is IHOP restaurant. Working hours given. So this is the Starbucks. Starbucks is just here, and there's a restaurant too. So up to 18 floors are here. I think even more than that, but 18 I can see written here. So this is for going to floor 2 to 12. So see all the third floor we have pool, fitness center, restaurant, gift shop, OLG. So let me take you to 3. Meeting room. There's so many meeting rooms. Fun zone. So I'm trying to go to the fitness area. Okay, all lifts are equipped with cameras. Okay, so pool and fitness center are here. Okay, hours, fitness center open 24 hours, pool 7 to the. Okay, not interested. So yeah, I don't want to go into the pool area now just for privacy reasons. So I did not enter because of the privacy, like there was a pool, I don't want to film in the pool area. But you see that pool and fitness center both are here, and all the facilities you see.
Going down.
Everything is here. They have so many restaurants and gift shops, and they have like a ice machine. Which direction is the ice machine? Let me find out. So I reached the ice machine area. You can get ice machine here, and there's also a vending machine. Tokens only. Purchase token from your guest room. Wow. So you have to take it from the. Okay. I mean, probably you need to take it from the reception and use it. But anyway, I purchased something from Walmart, so I'm not gonna purchase from here. Please use guest room to interfere for. Wow. Nice. I like the corridors. You see the flooring. Lights are also ample, no doubt. So there are so many restaurants, passages to casinos, and even Starbucks in house. Wow, amazing. But yeah, I like it, no doubt. And the cost for me for the room, it was around $170 I got. For parking I paid $35, so other side of the street I had to park. That was slightly painful because I had to then come back all the way. That probably you don't want. So today I did lot of fun, lot of walk. Tomorrow morning again I will go. That's how guys things work, and that's what this hotel is. Let me know what you feel about the tour. So thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.